Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create forecast sheet and use forecast function in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. In this data, in first column, we are having the date of the trading. In the second column, the high price of that particular stock, low price on that particular day, the closing price. So if we want to create the forecast sheet, what we will do, we will select the data. Make sure you are in data, activate the forecast sheet, and you can specify that how many time periods you want to forecast. Let's say till 14 February, we want to do the forecasting. Other options which are available are here. So if there are missing values, what is to be done? Missing points, they are to be filled with zeros or interpolation is to be done. Aggregate duplicates using the methods which are specified. Okay, just press create. And you can see it has done the forecasting for next 4 periods. So this is how you create the forecast sheet. This is known as a fan chart. Now let's use the forecast function. I write on here 13 February 2021. And I want to do the forecasting. What will be the high for this on this day? So forecast for A10 on the basis of B to B8 and the past dates also you will have to specify, enter. So you can see it has done the prediction that the high will be 2015. So this is how you can use forecast sheet and forecast function in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.